Yo, what up? Magandang hapon sa lahat. So, Vince Ultra here. So, eto nga pala yung 4 p.m. view ng Baguio City. So, Baguio never ceases to amaze me. It's moments like this na grabe, mapapasabi ka na lang ng I'm so grateful at magbibilang ka lang talaga ng blessings mo. So, speaking of gratitude, I wanted to take the moment to thank you all. We just hit 612 subscribers on YouTube. Salamat mga ka-ultra. So, hindi ko magagawa lahat to kung hindi ako na-inspire ng paisa-isa na pagdami natin. So, hopefully, maisabuhay ko na yung libro ko. Masabi ko sa inyo yung mga reels na kailangan kong gawin. So, para maging mulat tayo at malay sa ating kamalayan. At para ma-unleash natin ang full potential nating lahat. So, enjoyin nyo muna tong view sa Baguio. Tinatry kong pumunta sa SM, tinecheck ko yung traffic. So, yun, kakakain ko nga lang pala ng french fries na barbecue. 20 pesos, napakarami. So, solid, no? So, life's funny sometimes. It throws curveballs. It presents challenges. But it also offers these incredible moments of beauty and connection. It's all about finding that balance, that flow. So, hanapin lang natin yung balance sa buhay, yan lang natin. So, ito, palipad-lipad na lang ng drone pag wala ka magawa. So, isip na lang tayo ng food mamaya. Yan. So, gusto ko lang talagang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat at naabot ko tong 612 subscribers. Napakasaya. That's something I've been learning about lately. So, this concept of Wu Wei, it's this ancient idea of effortless action. So, yun yung gusto ko ituro ngayon. Of going with the flow, of finding harmony with the natural rhythm of the universe. Ayan. And it ties in with something else I've been experimenting a lot lately. Perfect synchronicity. Ito yung mga inaantay natin na mangyari, mag-synchronize lahat ng gusto natin. It's like the universe is conspiring to help us, lining things up for the most unexpected and beautiful ways. So whether it's the perfect song coming on the right moment or a chance encounter that leads to amazing opportunity, these moments remind us that we're all connected, that we are part of something bigger. So ito yung sinasabi ko mga ka-ultra, yung interconnected lahat ng mga iniisip natin, lahat ng experience natin. So magkaka-connect yan. So thank you again for being part of this journey. Thank you for the support and comments. Salamat sa inyong mga likes. It means the world to me. So let's continue to explore and create, to connect and to find the perfect synchronicity in our lives. So this is Vince Ultra signing off. Stay grateful, stay present, and keep chasing those dreams. Peace. To the stars in harmony, this is Vince Ultra, and it's day 73 of 2025.